How to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. If you're using Android, tap the three dots in the top right, then select Settings. On iPhone, you'll find the icon in the bottom right. Next, tap Account and then Two-Step Verification. You'll be shown a screen that briefly explains what this feature does. Tap Activate. Now set a 6-digit PIN that's easy to remember but difficult to guess. You'll be asked to confirm it. You can also add an email address later. This is optional but highly recommended, as it will allow you to reset your PIN if you forget it. Once setup is complete, two-step verification will be enabled. WhatsApp will occasionally ask you for your PIN, even during normal use, to ensure you don't forget it. It's a simple feature to enable but essential for your security, especially if you have sensitive conversations or use WhatsApp for work.